Hello, welcome to My Easy Statistics. In this video, I will be discussing about testing multivariate normality of data. Okay, when we have to test normality of a single variable, it is called as a univariate normality. But when we have to check normality of more than one variable, it is called as a multivariate normality. Generally, in MANOVA test, we need to check the normality of multiple dependent variables. If in case these multiple dependent variables do not have normality, then we need to find the outliers and try to delete the outliers in the data. Now we shall discuss this process in detail with an example. Now you can see this example. In this example, we have three variables related to student marks in English, in maths and science. These three variables are in scale data. Now first we will find does these three variables have multivariate normality. If they are having multivariate normality, it is fine. If not, we try to see what are the outliers and what we can do in that case. Now let us start the process. First, analyze. In analyze, we need to go for regression. In regression, we will select linear. In the output window, you take this three variables that are English, maths and science as independent variable in regression equation. Now we have selected English, maths and science as independent variable. Select the ID as a dependent variable. ID is the case numbers which we have given, is called IDs. In this, select the button save. In this, directly select only the distance which is called Mahalanobis. Select this button Mahalanobis and click continue and click OK. And now in the output, directly you see the table residual statistics. In this residual statistics, we have Mahalanobis distance and we need to note only the maximum value. In this case, the maximum value of Mahalanobis distance is 9.134. Now, we need to decide whether multivariate normality is there or not. For this purpose, we need to check the table of critical chi-square values. In this table, we need to get the critical value. We need to select a degree of freedom is 3 because we have three dependent variables are there, that is marks of maths, science and English. There are three variables which you have selected. For these three variables, degree of freedom is 3 and p-value is 0.05. At 95% confidence interval, significant value is taken as 0.05. So degree of freedom is 3 and p-value at 0.05, the critical value is 7.82. Now see the Mahalanobis distance and the maximum value is a 9.134. If this Mahalanobis distance maximum value is less than the critical value, then multivariate normality is existing. In case Mahalanobis distance maximum value is more than critical value, then multivariate normality is not there. It means there are some outliers in the data that need to be found. In our case, the Mahalanobis distance maximum value is 9.134 and the critical value is 7.82. So we don't have multivariate normality for the three variables. In regression analysis, we have saved Mahalanobis distance of each individual case. This is Mahalanobis distance variable which has been created, and you can see this is the ID number for each individual case, and for each individual case Mahalanobis distance is been given. Now we will identify the extreme outliers of cases. For this we must do analyze. In analyze a descriptive statistics, in descriptive statistics select explore. In this select Mahalanobis distance as a dependent variable and case IDs as labels of cases, and select statistics, and in this select the check button outlier, click continue and click OK. Now directly you can see the extreme cases. Now you can see the cases which are having extreme Mahalanobis distance. If you have adequate sample size, then we can delete these cases in order to get the multivariate normality. It is not always recommended to delete the outliers. A researcher must carefully observe each case and take the decision. I wish this video is useful for your research. Thank you.